Sanibona bafethu, uVane lo ngixolise nje kakhulu nge-background, ngixolise nje kakhulu iy'ndaba engisathanda kuyithola manje lezi ngithe bafethu angiyishere nani bafethu. Iy'ndaba engekho mnandi bafethu, indaba engekho mnandi. Ithalente Mbatha kubukeke engazuthi umjida ngeke aze abe khona ahead of le game le siyoyidlala against iMamelodi Sundowns. Iy'ndaba engekho mnandi lezi because we know uThalente Mbatha is very good. He's a good player. He's the type of player you need in a game like this. Last time umjida kadlalanga against the Mamelodi Sundowns, he picked up an injury ngosikhathi siyodlala against the Mamelodi Sundowns. It looks like lokho kusazoqhubeka namanje mfethu. Umjida besemdinga ngempela, kubukeka ngazo noSibisi futhi naye ngeke aze abe khona futhi okumunye wabadlali yabo okapteni woLorlando Pirates. So far i-team akubuya kuzoba nzima for ucoach ukuthi asethe ischeme, but ke bakhona abone Mtajela abazokwazi ukuthi badlali nabo abajida. Let's hope i-team izokwazi ukuthi i-concentrate, ikwazi ukuthi iwine because siyawudinga kakhulu 3 points kule game le. Mase siyishaya nje Mamelodi Sundowns sizowazi nathi ukuthi sesiclear kanjani. But ke wena ungangitshela ngokwakho, do you think umjida uyithayimile mfethu le injury yakhe noma mhlawumbe i-team ebenobudedengu? Because remember umjida his last game was against i-TTM, wadlala kahle kakhulu against i-TTM, wakora igoli elihle against i-TTM kudlalwa le eMoses Mabhida. But ke it looks like right now umjida ngiyazi abe khona against iMamelodi Sundowns. For me, I spoke about leya game leya ukuthi singaba-risk abadlali abajida bathi ukurelaxa. Most of i-first team players zirelax mfethu because beyizolimala. Naku-ke sesithola ukuthi uMbatha ulimalile. I know most people will say akalimalanga mos egroundini, but ke wadlala u-90 minutes. That tells you a lot about umjida. Same as uSibisi udlala 90 minutes against i-team ade dlala nayo nge-weekend, but ke naye ke ulimele umjida. But ke ngingezwa ngani bafethu nithi